In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place instant market orders with Ctrader in Ctrader. First, open Ctrader and navigate to the specific chart you want to trade. Make sure you're on the correct symbol and time frame that matches your plan. A quick glance at the instrument name at the top of the chart helps you avoid placing an order on the wrong market. Next, enable Quick Trade. Look to the bottom left corner of the platform and click the gear icon to open settings. In there, turn on Quick Trade mode. This feature removes extra confirmations so your orders go straight to market with a single click. It's designed for speed, so be mindful that once it's on, your clicks execute immediately. If you see a prompt reminding you about one-click trading, that's normal. It's simply confirming that you understand orders will be placed right away. With Quick Trade enabled, focus on the right side of your chart. You'll see buy and sell buttons. These are your instant market order controls. Buy places a long position at the current market price. Sell places a short position. Because these are market orders, they fill at the best available price, which can shift slightly during fast conditions. Keep an eye on the spread and volatility, as both can affect your entry price. Before you click buy or sell, adjust your volume. Right next to the volume display, you'll find small plus and minus buttons. Use these to set your lot size precisely. Take a moment here. Your volume determines your position size and potential risk. If you're new, start small and always choose the size before you place the order. This prevents surprises and keeps your trades intentional. Once your volume is set, simply click buy or sell. Your order is placed immediately with one click. You should see visual confirmation on the chart, and your open position will appear in your trade panel with real-time profit and loss. Because there's no extra confirmation step in Quick Trade mode, double-check your direction and size beforehand. If you prefer a brief pause between decision and execution, you can always turn Quick Trade off later in settings. That's all you need to place instant market orders in Ctrader using Quick Trade. Practice on a demo environment. If you're new to one-click trading, get comfortable with the layout and develop the habit of verifying symbol, direction, and volume before you click. When used thoughtfully, Quick Trade can streamline your workflow and help you act quickly when the market moves.